In this video, we're going to use the factor theorem to solve a polynomial equation. It says, consider the function f of x equals x cubed minus 4x squared minus 47x plus 210. When f of x is divided by x plus 7, the remainder is 0. So that means that x equal negative 7 would be a 0 for this function. It wants us to find other binomial divisors that would also result in a remainder of 0. So it just wants us to find the other two zeros for the function. What I can do is I can divide this cubic by this linear equation and I'll get a quadratic, and then factor that quadratic and I should get my two answers. So we'll start by using synthetic division. We've got negative 7 as our 0. We can write down the leading coefficients: 1, negative 4, negative 47, and 210. Drag the 1 down. That'll be 1. Multiply, add. So multiply the negative 7. Add, that's a negative 11. Multiply, we get 77. Add, we get 30. Multiply, we get negative 210. Add, we get 0. So our remainder here is 0. This is our constant term. This is our x value, and this is our x squared value. So we have x squared minus 11x plus 30. And technically this would be multiplied times this x plus 7. Like if I multiply these two things together, I would get this cubic function right here. And that equals 0. So if I use ZPP here, and ignore this x plus 7 because I don't need to do that again. I already know it's a 0, which is negative 7. And just focus on x squared minus 11x plus 30 equal to 0. I can factor that to x minus 6, x minus 5 equals 0. ZPP would tell us that x equals 6, well, x plus 6 equals 0, or x plus 5 equals 0, so x equal negative 6, or x equal negative 5. Now they don't really ask us for that, they just ask us for the two factors, so that'd be x minus 5 and x minus 6.